Hey, to report any player in the PS5 Slim, first of all go into your profile in the right upper corner, open your profile, now go into the friends, and now just search for this one that you want to actually report. So input his name or online ID. Click R2 to confirm, and let's say that I want to report this Stefan Bieberisch. So I have to click X on my controller, and then I have to go into the right upper corner and go to the more and select report. Now you can select in-game behavior, some activity outside of a game, something in the profile. So let's pick this one for example, and here you've got information. What do you want to report? So we can either report online ID or real name, or you can just cancel the report. And that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.